apple. E is for egg. I is for ice cream. O is for octopus. U is umbrella.
Vowels are 5 magic letters that help us make words. Without vowels, words would sound very funny. Let's meet them one by one. Here comes the letter A. Apple A is the very first vowel. A for apple. Can you say apple? Great! Also for acorn. Can you say acorn? Awesome! A is amazing. Next is the letter E. E says, A like egg. Let's try it together. A, egg, fantastic. E can also say E like eagle. Say E, eagle. Wonderful. E is exciting. Here comes I. I says E like igloo. Can you say E, igloo? Super. I can also say I like ice cream. Yum. Say I, ice cream. Perfect. I is incredible. Here's O. O says ooh like octopus. Let's try. Ooh, octopus. Great. O can also say O like orange. Say O, orange. Fantastic. O is outstanding. And finally, U. U says like umbrella. Say it with me. Umbrella. Excellent. You can also say you like unicorn. Everyone say you. Unicorn. Awesome. U is unique. Now let's play a game. Look closely at all the letters of the alphabet. Can you spot the vowels? Let's find them one by one. First, can you find the letter A? Shout it out when you see it. Yay! There's A. Now, can you find the letter E? Great! You found E. Next up is I. Where's I hiding? Woohoo! There's I. Okay, time for O. Can you spot it? Yes, you got it. And last one, U. Where's U in the alphabet? Fantastic! That's U.
A is for apple. E is for egg. I is for ice cream. O is for octopus. U is umbrella.